welcome back to the Grand Tour of Switzerland. It's Ali here, and in this episode we are in the canton of Valais again during summer. And this episode I will be sharing with you some of the places that you can visit in Valais, from the Aletsch Glacier down to here in Leukerbad, and also a visit to the thermal bath. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then let's get going! Starting with the cable car ride from Liège to Fiescheralp. This is the ski slopes at Fiescheralp. It's very gentle and perfect for beginners. And that's the ski school for kids. And further up there, I think you have the beginner's slope. First time skiing in the Fiescheralp, and now we're just having a first time ski lesson, and we're going to learn the basics of how to move and then maybe go down a baby slope. It's actually super tiring because you have to use like your arms to just push yourself. I just hope I don't fall at the end of this ski lesson. Now we are going to take a transfer up from Fiescheralp to Eekishorn. This is the Aletsch during winter. It's the largest glacier. Right to Leukerbad now, and it's really incredible. The ride is just so beautiful. There's this little market here. They are selling a lot of things like bags, sausages, leathers. Really cute. It's the hotel we're staying. Now we're going up to the Gemmipass mountain. This is the starting point at Leukerbad. We took the Gemmipass barn, and then we came all the way up here to the Gemmipass. peaceful with nice views of the mountains. And you should also get a hot chocolate when you're here. These are all the different peaks that you can see from the Gemmi. And right here is the Matterhorn. It's the one over there. Can you see it? Changing rooms. After you change, you get out from the door. And then you have to enter the compulsory shower while you take a shower, and then you can enter the thermal baths. You can also enter the spa section of the thermal baths, but it's for an additional fee, so I didn't manage to get in. But this is where if you want to go for like your hammam, your cold baths, your spa, it's all inside here. And then going upwards, this is where it leads to the outdoor thermal baths, the big one outside. Very cold right now, and right now the mountain looks like this, but we think that it will look better during winter time. It's just that it will be even colder than it is right now.